Would you like to automate all of your meta ads? Let's say you're spending millions of dollars a month on meta ads, Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Now, you probably know that AI can't necessarily automate it all 1,000, 1,000,000%, but there is some possibility of what it can do. Now, the first step you need to do is go to Zernio.com. Get yourself an API key. Zernio is like $50 a month, but then for the all of the features, like $150 a month. It's 100% worth it. It's insane. So get yourself a Zernio account. Excuse me. Get yourself an API key, and then you're going to grab the documentation link as well. Go drop it into your Claude code, and then say connect to, well, obviously you got to connect to your account here in Zernio, connect all your accounts. You just hit new connection. You can add all of your accounts here, and then say, what can you do? Check my account. Because what Zernio does, and I don't have an affiliate for this, they would not give me an affiliate. I asked them, hey guys, give me a discount. I got an audience. Help me out here. They said, we don't have anything. So I'm sure they'll figure it out. But what it does is it gives you developer level access, which you cannot get yourself. So you have to use a third party service to do all of this. And they just added the ads feature here pretty recently. I've been using it for all of the social media posting. And it literally gives you the API key, the API access directly as a developer. So once you connect your accounts into it, then you can easily go and have it do a bunch of stuff. The first thing obviously, if you're spending millions of dollars a month, you know exactly what it needs to do. You just need to get this set up and connected. So if you are that, then obviously you should probably have a server. If you don't, then you need to holler at me and I can help you out. But a virtual private server is then where all of this will go and live, and all of this will be connected into. So this is Cloud Code. I'm using Cloud Code to connect into my virtual private server, which then has all of my automations and saves all of this stuff into it. And then just as an example here, let's just go back here. Well, here's one. So what I said was literally, I think this is, let me see here. Whoops. Yeah, you can write the one. Oh, well, this is a good one. This was creating the old style of ad testing, which is one campaign, one ad set, and then one ad image. That was going through and creating that was the old style of being able to actually do ad creative testing and things like that. But what it will do is basically anything that you ask it to do in any possible way. And then if you have a methodology that actually works, if you know what your strategy is, then it will 100% be able to do that without any limited execution. So this was one that I was running here that it just kept on doing the same thing, kept on creating me different ads. I have a bunch of them here. I'm trying to go back and find here. These ones were all ad created. Was it this one? Yeah. I want to see any. Ding, ding, ding. No, that's the same one. Why does it keep showing that? Anyways, I had a bunch of different tests. I mean, at one point, it was creating like 700 new pieces of creative a day. And so it was getting a little bit out of hand because I was just having to create and test as many things as possible to see. So it's like, it really did work in the sense of being able to figure out exactly what pieces of creative were the right ones. But this was all mostly the old methodology before, the new kind of way of doing ads. So I'm not really sure. It just really depends on how you're running ads and what you're doing. I did do it in the new way, which is having it crammed into, that's what I'm trying to find, but I think it's in my other account here. But where you basically have it all, you have a campaign, you have an ad set, and then you have 50 ads, and you got images, you got videos, you got carousels, all inside of that one ad. That's really 100%. I could show you some client accounts, but I can't show you client accounts because those are client accounts. But that's why I'm just showing you all my test accounts, because this is where the real juice lives. But basically, You get in there, you get yourself an API key, and then you can quickly talk to all your ads. It's the fastest way to talk to your ads. You can talk to Google Ads, you can talk to Meta Ads, you can talk to anything that you got set up. So go check that out, Zerno. If you want help really automating all of this and getting it set up 100%, obviously holler at me. That's what I do. I'd love to help you out. And I'll see you in the next video.